So that's about the text criteria. And the next one, when you want to use sum if function and find the below sums value. See, for example, I have given the values here from J5 to J10, and you just give exactly see corresponding cells. For example, there are various values of given circle A, triangle, circle B, triangle A. I just want to have the summation of all that except the triangle. See, for example, I can give this command where I just do not contain exactly whatever the cells that contain exactly triangle. I just don't want that summation to happen for that. So I just give sum if, and with that sum if I'm just selecting the criteria. Right here the criteria is I5 till I9. So this is the criteria, and no, this is the range, right? I have taken the range from I5 to I9, and I'm just giving the criteria. I don't want any sum, any numbers which contains, right? The criteria is triangle. So any cells that contains this criteria called a triangle, right? And the sum range where I am going to add the sum range. So I just added triangle. So that value of 1, the corresponding value will not come. So what is the range? I am selecting J5, right? And J9. So when I just enter, I get 40. So what does it actually imply? It just ignored, right? It just ignored this triangle value alone. It included rather circle A, circle B, triangle. So it summated all these values. So what is the formula for this? It taken the range for which you are choosing, and you have given the condition. So condition here, I don't want any values that any cells that contains the range, right? That triangle. And the next one, I'm just going to find out. You see, I have given circle here, and there is also corresponding another character. See, there is a circle and there is another character A, right? I should not give space here because it is two character. And again, I have given circle B, right? And there is another character next to it, and triangle A. So these are some of the characters you have. So what I'm going to give, I'm just going to use a question mark. So what is a question mark? How am I going to give a command? So yeah, if I see question mark, circle and question mark, it will omit the circle and it will sum up all the other characters which actually has the values of cells. So just give the sum if function, and in sum if function, give the range. So I5 and I9. So you have selected the range and give the criteria circle, right? The criteria should be within the parenthesis. So give circle. So I'm just giving another character. So character is I am just giving a question mark. So what does the question mark mean? Question mark means that circle, the criteria circle with another character additionally. So only that summation you have to take, and the number that you have to take from J5 till J9. So I'm just giving this formula. So you see 37, I got 37. So how the value 37 came? So it has taken the values of wait one second. It has to give 30. So it just taken the value of all the circle it has taken, right? So J5 and J9. So the characters A and B, it's supposed to give us only 10, 30. Then why it is considering all the circle. So this also you can take, right? And another one function. See, for example, there is another formula, one function. How you can see that this formula, when you give circle, when you give circle, it has calculated the circle as well as it has included all the character, one character. So if we just put circle, for example, you just add just circle and then give enter, that will end up giving 0. Actually this value is supposed to be 7. This value is supposed to be 7. And just give question mark, just give question mark, close parenthesis, and just give enter. That includes all the values, summation of all these values. And the next formula, what you can do, like how you can do, I just want to have the end, right? End what the text, right? Because we are talking about the text criteria. So some if also can be used for text criteria, right? Some if, so I can give one text criteria where I just want to use anything that ends with LE, right? So what I do, I'm just selecting the range. So I6, not I6, I5, I5 till I9, comma, I have to give the criteria. So I am giving the criteria within the parenthesis star, right? Star LE. So star LE gives me exactly the word that ends. So that is the criteria, the word that ends with LE. So where you have to select the range. So the range has to be selected from J5 to J9. So close and then just give like this. So it has selected LE, it has selected 1, right, from the triangle. Actually, it's supposed to select the circle also.